We have tons of unfilled skilled labor jobs that we don't have qualified candidates for. You can make a good living, comfortable living, without crushing, student debt right out of high school.
We're running a 5-year program to fill the skills gap. Why the skills gap? Because we have an aging workforce. We have 2,000 manufacturing companies in the northeast of Massachusetts. We have 500 manufacturing companies in our backyard right here in the North Shore.
Before all the COVID stuff, what was unemployment? 2.9%, and it was not in the skilled trades. That was zero, practically speaking.
The career advancement here is awesome. I worked so hard to move up that now I am comfortable in my career and lifestyle outside of work. I'm able to take care of my family. I got a house last year.
We had a tattoo artist, we had a hairdresser, and they were looking for a career change.
Those are the people that you just latch on. I can tell you, one was a mailman, one was a carpenter, right? And they just said, I don't feel like I'm going anywhere. So they did a huge change from a person standpoint.
I think that most people don't have a specific view into what manufacturing truly is on a daily basis. Our employees are able to enjoy cutting-edge technology and true engineering within the manufacturing process.
People are starting to understand that it's not factory work anymore. The expectation is high technical skills. There's kind of a joke in the industry that says, if the engineer can't fix it, give it to the machinist.
During that Explorer, we ended up making clocks on the manual mills, and it was awesome.
I was always very hands-on and paid close attention to detail.
There's a lot of math involved as well, which I really loved, but I could also use my hands, which is originally why I came to this school. It wasn't always book work and, the same tests every single day.
We will engage with them within the course of the program with resume writing. We also assist them with interviewing skills. Within the process also, we connect our students in a job fair at the end of the program, just so that they can understand that there are companies that are looking to hire individuals with their talents and with their certifications.
We're talking about adult students have these supports. They have case managers, they have job placement specialists, they have resume writers, they have all these people supporting them from the very beginning to the very end until they get employed. Think about the vision of going into a manufacturing company, getting a good salary, and going back to school if you want to, maybe on their dime or maybe something shared. If you're willing to learn and to grow, the sky's the limit.